Hey guys, just wanted to highlight what's going on in the automotive industry with sanctions that are happening in Russia. We're leaving alone the energy because the world is depending on energy sources from Russia, but we're putting sanctions against everything else, and one of their major exports are gems and precious metals, namely palladium and platinum. So what that means for us and what that means for you is catalytic converters, spark plugs, things like that has those precious metals in it, it's going to go through the roof. So let me just show you guys what we're doing right now. I'll show you what a catalytic converter is. And we're replacing a couple right now. So inside here is it's really expensive. The reason why that's so expensive is there's palladium and platinum inside of there. And we're replacing this whole exhaust unit because the catalytic converter has gone bad. For the customer, it's like a $4,000 ticket. And 6 months from now, we're gonna think that's really cheap because it's gonna really skyrocket. And also what that means for you is that there's gonna be more catalytic converter thefts. People are gonna crawl under your car and cut those off, cut the catalytic converters off. Like, I'll show you, they'll just come under here and just look for the catalytic converter. They'll look for the exhaust and follow that up. And they'll know, because of the EPA mandates, every car that burns fuel has a catalytic converter. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna cut it off and they're gonna melt the metal down and sell the palladium and platinum that's inside of it. So there's gonna be a lot more catalytic converter thefts. If they go bad, they're gonna have to be replaced, and it's gonna be really expensive. So the reason why the catalytic converters go bad, if fuel doesn't burn completely, and if you have like a check engine light on, if your engine is running rich, which means it's dumping more fuel than it burns, then it's gonna start clogging up the catalytic converter. And once it gets clogged up with emissions and fuel, there's gonna be a restriction in this, and that's gonna cause it to go bad, and it's gonna have to be replaced, just like we're replacing on this car right here. So our recommendation as a professional repair shop, you have to start thinking about maintaining your vehicle so that it's running well. If your check engine light is on, you must try to get it off, because what your computer does on your car, it starts dumping more fuel, because if your car runs lean, it'll actually damage your engine. So what the computer does, if it finds any fault in the way the engine is running, it'll start dumping fuel in there to protect your engine, because it's better to run rich than lean. But what it's doing is it's going to start killing your catalytic converter. So just wanted to throw that out there. And it's just, I'm telling you, this video 6 months from now, we're just going to see it. Bunch of catalytic converter thefts, and just skyrocketing prices of anything that includes palladium, platinum, or aluminum, which is a lot of stuff in the automotive space.